Creatine plus protein. After 40, this video is for education and general information only. It's not personal medical advice, so always check in with your own doctor or provider about what's right for you. Before we get started, make sure you stay with me all the way to the end, because I've got a free bonus waiting for you that can really level up your results. With that said, let's jump right in. If you're over 40 and your muscles feel softer and your energy is dragging, this video is for you. If your belly looks puffier than it used to, stay tuned. Today we're talking about two supplements everyone is buzzing about right now: creatine and protein. We're going to answer a big question honestly. Are they building muscle after 40, or just making you bloated? Let me tell you about Mike. Mike is 44, lives in Ohio, and works a desk job. He used to feel pretty solid. Around 42, things started shifting. His arms got softer. His waistline got thicker. He woke up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. So Mike did what most of us do. He went online and fell down a rabbit hole. He started taking creatine and a big protein shake every morning. 2 weeks later, he felt puffier and heavier. He was completely confused. Was this helping him or making things worse? Here's the thing. Mike wasn't doing anything crazy. He was just missing some key information. Information we're going to cover right now. Before we dive deeper, let's set the stage. After 40, your body changes in ways that are real and normal. You start losing muscle mass faster. Your metabolism slows down. Your hormones shift. Your body doesn't recover from stress the way it used to. This isn't failure. It's biology. But it means the rules change a little. So let's break this down with 5 clear pillars. By the end, you'll know what creatine and protein do in a body over 40. You'll also see how to use them without the puffiness. Pillar 1. What creatine actually does after 40. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements in the world. Research shows that creatine helps muscle cells produce energy during short bursts of effort. Think lifting, walking fast, climbing stairs, or chasing your kids. After 40, your muscles naturally hold less creatine. Supplementing may help your muscles feel stronger and recover faster. Studies also suggest creatine may support brain energy and mood. That's a bonus most people don't mention. The truth is, creatine is not a magic pill. But for adults over 40 who stay active, it may support strength and function. Now here's where the bloat story comes in. This is the loop Mike was stuck in. Pillar 2. Why creatine causes water retention, and what that means. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells. That water is not fat. That water is not unhealthy. The scale may go up 3 to 5 pounds at first. When Mike stepped on the scale and saw the number climb, he panicked. Most people do. Here's why this matters. That water sits inside your muscles, not in your gut. It helps muscles look fuller over time. The puffiness Mike felt likely came from something else. We'll get to that in a moment. Pillar 3. What protein does for muscle and metabolism after 40. After 40, your body is less efficient at using protein to build muscle. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. It simply means your muscles need a stronger growth signal. Getting enough high-quality protein each day helps send that signal. We're talking about eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, and protein shakes. Shakes are helpful when whole foods are not enough. Protein supports metabolism by helping you feel fuller longer. It also helps your body burn more calories at rest. Quick tip: spreading protein across 3 meals works better than one huge dose. Dumping everything into a single giant shake can backfire. That giant shake might be why Mike felt bloated. Before we go deeper, if this helps you feel clearer about aging stronger and with less puffiness, hit like and subscribe. There's a lot more coming on this channel about real, practical support for your health after 40. Pillar 4. Common mistakes that create real bloat, not creatine bloat. Here's what was probably happening with Mike. Too much protein powder at once can absolutely cause gut bloat. Cheap powders loaded with artificial sweeteners and fillers are a common trigger. Add stress, poor sleep, and not enough water, and your body holds fluid everywhere. Stress hormones like cortisol tell your body to retain sodium. Sodium holds water. Bad sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger and digestion. It also affects inflammation. When you're dehydrated, your body hoards every drop it can find. Creatine gets blamed, but lifestyle factors stack up. The truth is, creatine is rarely the villain. The lifestyle around it usually is. Pillar 5. How to actually use creatine and protein safely after 40. Start with a smaller dose of creatine. Around 3 to 5 grams daily is enough for most adults. You do not need a loading phase. Skip the massive 10-gram doses you see online. Drink more water than you think you need. Creatine works better when you're well hydrated. Good hydration also reduces that puffy feeling. Choose a clean protein powder or focus on whole food protein. Watch out for artificial sweeteners and sugar alcohols if your gut is sensitive. Move your body consistently. Even walking 20 to 30 minutes on most days helps your body use creatine and protein. Sleep matters a lot here. Your muscles repair and grow during deep sleep. Chronic bad sleep can undo much of what you're doing with supplements. Manage your stress load as well. Your nervous system and hormones are deeply connected. High cortisol blocks muscle building and promotes fat around your midsection. That belly fat Mike noticed often comes from stress and poor sleep more than supplements. Now, a quick word on who should be cautious. If you have kidney issues or a history of kidney disease, talk to your doctor before using creatine. Your kidneys process creatine waste products. If they're already under stress, you need guidance. If you're pregnant, nursing, or managing a chronic condition, get personalized advice. This video is educational information, not medical advice. Your own situation always matters most. So let's close the loops we opened today. Mike felt puffier not because creatine is bad, but because he took too much protein at once. He used a low-quality powder, slept badly, and did not drink enough water. The creatine pulled water into his muscles, which felt unfamiliar. The actual bloat came from lifestyle stress around the supplements. Remember, supplements only work as well as the foundation underneath them. Here's what a better version of Mike's morning might look like. A moderate dose of creatine with a full glass of water. A breakfast with 25 to 35 grams of whole food protein. A 20-minute walk. And 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before. That stack of food, movement, sleep, hydration, and a sensible supplement is what moves the needle after 40. So, muscle or just bloat? The honest answer is this. Creatine and protein can support muscle, metabolism, and energy after 40. Research points in that direction. Without the right approach, they can still bring a puffy, heavy feeling. That feeling makes you want to quit. The difference is not the supplement. The difference is the strategy. You are not too old to feel stronger. You are not too far gone to have more energy. You just need to work with your biology, not against it. Now you have tools to do exactly that. If these videos help you connect the dots with your health, the best way to say thanks is to tap like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps me keep making it free for you. Ready to accelerate your results? Head to the description by tapping more twice and watch your next must-see video, or click it here on your screen. It will help skyrocket your progress and kickstart your journey, so watch it now while it's fresh in your mind. Also, don't forget to grab your free keto ebook in the description and join our health community for more simple, natural health-boosting tips. Thank you for watching. Your support truly means a lot.